Hello students, welcome to our channel Mathematical Lens. We will start class IX Arti Sama chapter 2 Exponents of Real Number MCQ part. Okay, starts number 1. 2 minus 3 first moon bracket 2 minus 3 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 3 minus 1 to the power q curly bracket q equal minus 1 q equal to minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 to the power q equal 5q equal to 125. Next number 2, x equal to 2 y equal minus 2 the power x2 minus 2 plus 2 equal 2 minus 2 the power 4 equal 2 minus 16, answer minus 14. Next, omit of the root over x to the power 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 3 multiplication base same power add x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equal x to the power 5 by 6 x to the power 5 by 6 equal x to the power 5 6. Then omit root over x to the power 1 by 7 divided omit the root over x to the power 1 by 8 x to the power base same division power minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8 equal x to the power 1 by 56 equal x root over 156. Next, 64 root over 8 root q 64 4 8 cancel, answer 2. Note down. Next, number 6, 2 square 4 23 plus 4 27 to the power 2 by 3 plus 150 minus 29 121 to the power 1 by 2 whole square 27 3 to the power 3 into 2 the power 2 by 3 plus 121 11 to the square 11 to the 2 into 1 by 2 whole square 3 cancel 3 square 9 plus 2 cancel 11 whole square equal 20 square equal 400, answer is 400. Next, number 7, x to the power minus 1 equal 1 by x. If y to the power minus 1 means 1 by y whole minus 1 xy LCM xy divided x quotient y xy divided y quotient x to the power minus 1. Clear? Omit minus 1, interchange xy by x plus y, that's answer. Omit the minus 1 would change denominator, numerator. Inverse minus 1 omitted, this is inverse, answer is xy by x plus y. Next, number 8, if 8 to the power x plus 1 equals 64, then find the value 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equal dash. 8 to the power x plus 1, 8 to the power x plus 1 equal 8 square, 64 equal 8 square. Base same, so power same. x plus 1 equal 2, x equal 1. 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equal 3 to the power 2 into 1, 2 plus 1. 3 to the power 3 equal 27. Answer is 27. Next number 9 to the power q whole square equal 2 square whole cube. Is the same. This that is same. Equal 4 to the power x. 4q equal 4 to the power x. Base same. So power same. X equal 3. Then 3 to the power x. 3. X is 3. X equal 3. 3 to the power 3 equal 27. Answer is 27. Next number 10. If x to the power minus 2 equal 64, then find the value. First we solve if x equal 1 by 64 root over. Clear? Minus 2, so 1 by 64 root over equal to 1 by 8 equal 1 by 8 equal 1 by 2 the power 3. Then put the value of x in, then x is equal 1 by 2 the power 3. 1 by 2 the power 3 into 1 by 3 plus x to the power 0 equal 1. Any number to the power 0 equal 1. 3 cancel. 1 by 2 plus 1 equal 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Next number 11. Minus 1 by 27. 27. Omit the sign minus. 2 by 3. 27 to the minus 27. Change the sign. 2 by 3 equal minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Minus 27 is equal to minus 3 to the power 3. 3 cancel. Minus 3 square equal 9. Answer is 9. Next number 12. Not equal, this form. Not equal. Root 3, 8 root 3 minus 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. Minus plus. Omit the minus. 1 by omit the minus. It is okay. Next 8 to the power 1 by 3 equal 8 to the power 1 by 3 to minus 1 by 2. 8 to the power minus 1 by 6. It is okay. Then 8 to the minus 6. 8 to the power minus 1 by 6 equal to the power q into minus 1 by 6. 3 6 cancel 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2. It is okay. Question is not equal. 8 to the power minus 6, it is okay. 1 by 3, it is okay. It is okay. So not equal. A the right answer. A the right answer. Not equal 3 root 2 to the power minus 1 by 2. Not equal. This is the answer. Not equal. Next number 13. Which one of the following is not equal? 100 by 9 to the power minus 3 by 2. First, we find which are equal. Then we find which is not equal. 100 by 9 to the minus 3 by 2 equal 9 by 100 to the power 3/2 minus plus interchange then 1 by 100 by 9 to the power 3/2 equal next minus omit 9 by 100 to the power 3/2 equal 3/10 to the power square into 3/2 2 cancel answer 3/10 into 3/10 equal answer D is answer not equal. D is the right answer, not equal. 100 by 9 100 by 9 100 by 9 it is the answer. Question is which is not equal. It is not equal. Number 14 is equal to B by A root over into C by B into A by C equal C cancel B cancel A answer 1 root over answer is 1. Number 15 inverse minus x into 3/2 the power 2x equal 3/2 the power 4. Base same multiplication power add 3/2 the power 2x minus x equal 3/2 the power 4. 2x base is same, so 2x minus x equal 4. Question is then x equal 4. 4 is the right answer. Number 16, the value of 8 equal to the power 3 into minus 4/3 divided to the power minus 2 whole 1/2. 3 cancel to the power minus 4 divided to the power minus 2 whole 1/2. Base same division power add to the power minus 4 plus 2 the power 1/2 to the power minus 2 into 1/2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 into 1/2 to cancel to the power minus 1 equal 1/2. Answer equal 1/2. Next number 17 is equal to, this number is equal to 3125 5 to the power 5 a to the power 10 b to the power 5 c to the power 10 root 5. Then omit the base sign. It is the base sign. Omit the base sign. 5 to the power 5 a to the power 10 b to the power 5 c to the power 10 to the power 1/5. Then 5 to the power 5 into 1/5 a to the 10 into 1/5 b 5 into 1/5 into c 10 into 1/5. 5 cancel 5 10 2 a square 5 cancel b 10 5 cancel 2 c to the power 5 a square b c square. That's the answer is equal to 5 a square b c square. Number 18. This number is equal to, first omit the inner sign, a to the power 1 by n, mn, then omit the sign, base sign, we call base sign, a to the power 1 by n into 1 by m to the power mn, a to the power 1 by mn into mn equal mn cancel, a to the power 1, answer is a, is equal to a.